A program in Python is stored in the text files on the device file system as Python source code is interpreted, not compiled, opposite to C++. A typical file extension for programs in Python is .py. Python is simple and efficient in programming the not-so-complex IoT algorithms, but doesn't offer the level of control needed in real-time applications. It can be easily used for prototyping, testing hardware, and implementing simple tasks. Python is the first-choice language when it comes to AI applications. Most autonomous devices, such as cars, run in fact Python code along with C++ hardware accelerated on IoT for-class devices such as NVIDIA Jetson family. Nowadays, the Python interpreter usually comes with an operating system pre-installed. The sample installation procedure for Raspbian OS is presented in the manual maintained by the Raspberry Pi manufacturer. In the case of popular Raspbian or Ubuntu for Raspberry Pi, there are usually two versions of Python pre-installed, Python 2 and Python 3, because of the historical differences between implementations. Many operating system level applications are written in Python. On the development level, Python scripts can be written virtually in any text editor, but usually a dedicated one is more efficient and provides many additional features such as AI-based code generation, code coloring, live syntax tracking, one-click script execution, debugging, and so on.